fixing them gutters, we'll probably fix a lot of that.
It's a good way to start our shop video we're gonna film. I wouldn't step in that, you might get electrocuted.
Hold on. Go ahead and lock her down.
So anyway, we were gonna film a video today showing you what we done in the shop. Then we started taking on water quick. You want to give them a quick tour of what we're doing? I know you're in the middle of building something, but
I'm about to say, I'm kind of busy.
that's fine. They're used to you working and me filming.
It's true.
I mean, you narrate prettier than I do.
I don't know if we can even... I don't think they can hear us over the 45 fans and all the stuff going on.
Sure they can.
Did we have a before video to show?
They've seen their videos. They know what the hell all it was.
Well, I know, but I don't know if they knew how much work we did. Anyways, we've got a welding section here that we're working on. We've pulled the table out. I've swept, built a shelf on the bottom of the table, try to organize. We have a water issue.
Yeah, show them your shelf. That's pretty. He built that.
Yeah.
He built that.
I built that. We're taking on a lot of water. I guess that's gonna be something else we have to. Oh, we'll just let's go this way. And oh yeah, this corner. That's what we're working on now.
Over there, that's where we do it for Dale.
That works.
Yeah.
So I'm told that works.
That's good.
We're gonna have to. Maybe we'll make a video of it playing.
Yeah, we will. We're gonna do it. Oh God, what the?
Beat, honk.
Oh,
Jeez.
these are movie theater chairs. They're just gonna sit there.
This right here, this is custom ventilation.
Yeah, that's where we let our air out.
Yeah.
We can actually run cars in here, which the door's shut
Yeah.
because of that.
I think that gets out all the bad exhaust that you ain't supposed to breathe.
This is what I'm most excited about. So this sat at my dad's parts store for him moved it out of the way for years, and it was a radio. It's an old like display or whatever. So we're gonna take hopefully and hook all the speakers together and put this one still works. Maybe put like an 8-track there, and they'll just pick it up for novelty, and then put a good CD player below. Build a shelf right now for it to go up there, and then yeah, it'll be cool. Onward.
That's the shelf we're working on. Is there more stuff to show?
Maybe there's a lift that doesn't work.
Yeah, the lift don't work. There's
Paxton
Paxton picking up a 1932 chainsaw.
We're gonna restore that. Our charging station, that's here. Yours is actually organized.
Somewhat.
Last video, our charging station. Last video, I was showing all your stuff on the cart.
Oh, that I moved now?
Yeah.
And I put a power strip up here. We have a place to charge batteries. And I got all this Ryobi stuff. I use Ryobi. He uses Hart because if we try to use the same thing, he steals my stuff and it's just a problem.
I ain't got no fancy charging station. Mine's on the table over here. It works, son.
I stole part of your table for my drill press.
I see that, that's fine. Yeah, that's pretty much our update. I would show you the other side, but I ain't done much.
Here, we'll do this one now for a couple weeks.
I'm cleaning out a spot on the other side to put the tractors, so they're out of here. The El Camino's gone.
Oh
That's
yeah.
the big thing.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's outside in the rain actually getting washed.
That's where I'm cutting my wood.
It runs, so we have room for activities.
Yep. See, I'm handling my wood right where we used to have the El Camino. See how Jeff handles my wood? You get splinters.
Feels small to what I'm used to.
Oh God. All right. Well, with that, we're gonna go back to. I'm gonna get run over by Paxton. We're going back to building this shelf.
Your imaginary Mustang.
What are you talking about, imaginary?
That's his imaginary Mustang.
Oh.
It sounds like your Mustang.
It does, because my Mustang doesn't sound like anything.
Yeah, y'all be pretty.
We'll see you.
We'll see you.
Paxton, anything to add?
No.
No.
No.